Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Valorant 92. So this is once again a connection error. Here are a few simple steps you can try to fix your error. Now the first being you simply just restart your PC and then check if that resolves your issue somehow. Now if that doesn't work, the next thing you can do is go to add or remove programs. And make sure to delete Vanguard. Find Vanguard here, write Vanguard, click uninstall, and then simply uninstall it. Once you've done that, type in Valorant and do the same with Valorant. You simply uninstall it. Once you uninstall it, relaunch the right client. Once you relaunch the right client, you simply head over to Valorant and then re-download the game. Just click here and download the game, and once the game is done downloading, it will install Bright Vanguard again. And then simply restart your PC one more time and see if the game works properly. Now if even that doesn't help, the next thing you can do is head over to search, type in Windows Defender Firewall and open it, and then click allow an app and a feature through the Windows Defender Firewall. Open it, and in here click change settings and then allow another app and then click browse. Once in local disk C, find program files. Once in program files, simply find Bright Vanguard. Once you find it, look for VGC here. Once in here, click open, and then it will say Vanguard user mode service. Click on it and then click add. And once it's added, tick it for both private and public. Now you want to do the same for right client and for Valorant. So you go to right client and then just click right client services, open, and then add. I already added it, so it says this, but for you it will add it, and then you make sure it's ticked for both local and private and public. And then finally you want to do browse and then local disk C, write the games, Valorant, you want to go live, shooter game, binaries, Windows 64, and then find this Valorant Windows 64 shipping. Click on it, add it, and once you add it, you tick both private and public. Now there's one more thing you can try to do before you restart your PC and see if your game works. This is like the holy grail. If this doesn't help, the last thing you can do is simply just contact the right support, and they'll hopefully be able to assist you and help you with your problem. So to do the last try or the last method, you simply go to search, type in run. Once in run, type in this services.msc. Once you've typed it in, it will open a window, and here click somewhere, press V on your keyboard till you find VGC, open it. It will say here manual. You want to switch it to automatic, not delayed start, just automatic. Once you put it, click apply. Okay, and after you put it to automatic, you simply restart your PC and then relaunch your game, and your game should be fixed forever. Now if that doesn't help, the last thing you can do is just submit a ticket to right support, and then hopefully they'll be able to help you. So that's it for this video. That's how you fix Valorant 92. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Hopefully this helped. Bye bye.